Hey guys, is it time to change your air filter on your Pro XP? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. First thing we're going to do is remove the seats. Now you're going to remove this access panel. You'll turn these clips. Slide your seat belts out of the way. Get over there. And this is your air box. You'll go ahead and loosen the clips on the top, the sides. Slide that out of the way. Go ahead and slide your air filter off. There'll be a ring on there when it comes out, so make sure that stays intact. When checking your air filter, you'll want to check for any damaged or wet fins, any extra dirt or dust that's stuck on there. If there's a lot of dust inside of your box, you know that your air filter is probably dirty too. You can contact your dealership to get a new one. This is a fairly new machine, so as you can see, pretty brand new filter, no dirt, no dust. The fins are in good shape. So we'll just take an air gun, blow from the inside out, clean out anything that we might not be seeing. Set your air filter aside. Now you'll take a clean rag, wipe out the inside of your air box. Wipe down the inside of your air box lid, check your seal, make sure it's in good shape. If not, contact your dealership, they'll be able to get you a new one. Right now, we can reinstall our filter. Slide it in. Make sure it seats up against these fins. Reinstall your lid. Now you can reinstall your access panel and seats and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Happy riding.